This 2024 Newmar Bay Star Sport 2912 is a Class A RV. It is located in Winter Garden, Florida 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Newmar is 29 feet 11 inches in length and features a Stowe Decor, Arctic Glazed Maple Cabinetry interior, Sleep 6, LP Detector, Smoke Detector, Awning, Air Conditioning, Stove Top Burner, Leveling Jacks, Self-Contained, Slide-Out, External Shower, Microwave, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features Bunk Over Cab, Front Dinette, Front Entertainment, Front Living Area, Full Wall Slide, Mid-Kitchen, Rear Bedroom, Rear Entertainment. This 2024 Newmar Bay Star Sport 2912 is built on AF53 22000 lb chassis and is powered by a Ford engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.